So this is a quick screen recording to show a little trick we discovered yesterday to make working with Instagram on the desktop much easier. One of the problems with Instagram is that it's mainly a mobile platform. All the posting and everything is really centered around the mobile device. And yet most of us, when we're looking at Instagram for business, have a large library of images on our desktop computers or on our laptops or hard disks. And getting them across to a mobile in order to post them is a real messy experience. So this really simple trick allows us to speed that whole process up and bypass the mobile without having to use external third-party apps and things like that. So logging into Instagram from a desktop, you'll see that controls are much more limited than those you'd expect on a mobile. It's very nice to see trend up there first, looking good. Very shiny awards. Haven't applied for one, maybe next year. So the controls we want to post aren't available to us in the desktop view. So I will log out, and this time we're going to click on the Tools menu on the right, go down to More Tools and select Developer Tools. Now what you would see normally, if I hadn't prepared this earlier, is it'll look a little bit like this when you log in. The first thing you want to do is over on the left hand side, the second from the left, toggle device toolbar. Click on that, and then you can slide the whole thing down and get that out of the way. And up on the top bar you can see you can select which phone you're going to emulate. You can be an iPad, you can be an iPhone, you can be a Google phone. You can select specific dimensions if you want. It doesn't really matter. And then you can select the scale that you're going to see things at. So I'm going to pick 75% so you can see it more easily. So this time I'm going to log back in again. Now this tool is really meant for web developers in order that they can test how a website is going to look on a mobile. But because Instagram have provided a really good mobile website for people browsing the website on mobiles, you can access many of the same controls you'd expect through the app. So here, logging in again, you can see slightly more controls, but most importantly the picture of the camera is there. So if you click on that, it opens up a window allowing you to choose a file from your computer. So I pick this picture. It imports that picture. You can quickly see that the filters that you'd normally see on the mobile device aren't available. That's one drawback. But if you've prepared your pictures properly on the desktop, it's not a problem. I've already got this picture in a nice square. If you didn't, you probably find the controls for resizing and all the rest of it are available to you there. So that's done. Click Next. You can write a caption, add the caption in, click Share, and then it'll post a picture for you. So wait a moment, and there, that picture is now uploaded into Instagram. So if I click on my profile, you'll see that's now the most recent picture in our Instagram profile. And that's it. If I click out of here, you go straight back into the desktop view you had before and see it the same as anybody else browsing your Instagram profile from a desktop. So again, I'll log out. And that's it. It's very straightforward. It's a really simple trick, but it does make using Instagram from a desktop computer much easier.